Welcome to the Affinity Trading Group video lesson of the week. Basically, yesterday, what we talked about was the potential for a 50% retracement. Fibonacci retracement level, price retracement lines. Okay, we look at this level, move up, 50% retracement, converges with a trend line break that occurred here, that led to an exhaustion move, that led to a fade of the trend line break, and put in a low and higher pivot low. So low, higher pivot low, trend line break, trend line fade, 50% retracement. Okay, it does not mean we have to go straight up, but just based on diagonal resistance alone, we take this level back from the March lows, we put it in here. Okay, we come up to this level. That was the apex. We trend line broke it, and we faded it. Now we're coming into the other side of the line. We need to see that we break that. Okay? Next thing that we also have to see is just from this level here, that next level takes us right into the area of this horizontal level of resistance. Okay? So this level here, this level there, horizontal level of resistance. Okay? And we'll see what occurs at this point. Okay? If we fail to make a higher high and it's on low volume, that would be a little mini double top, and we would expect to move lower. Okay? If we take out this high and then hold, we got a strong possibility of moving up to the next pivot high, which is in this level. And then if we traverse that level, we could quite potentially move up to this level. Okay, because this does not have a lot of resistance between this point and that point. Now let's just take a quick look at the Euro USD. Getting a little trouble with my charts here. All right, so here's the Euro USD. We talked about a distribution range and the Euro USD possibly moving lower. And sure enough, that widening distribution range has occurred and the Euro USD moved lower. However, we're moving lower into an area. We have reverted back to the mean, the 10-period moving average. Now we'll watch for a pause here, okay? Great British Pound, US dollar, okay? Watch for a 1, pause 2. Watch for a continuation move back to this horizontal level. Okay, because this is a possible green bar ignored on the daily. So we have a 1, pause 2, possible high, new high rejected. If we take out this level here, we have clear air down to that horizontal level. The last thing I want to look at before I hand things back over to Mark is my pick from earlier in the week, Haliburton. Continuing to just blast higher. Okay, this was the first pick that I mentioned as we came into the week. Okay, this is one. This is what we call a bull flag. When you have a trade that is continuing to work, you stick with it. You keep trading in that direction. You buy pullbacks, sell rallies. Buy the pullback, sell the extension. We gapped up, had a little gap fade, blasted off, moved off the 200-period moving average. Next day, we had a little gap down, and then we faded and filled the gap, and then we blasted off and moved higher. The way that we look at this is we take this move. My projection is up to $32. All right, guys, the market just opened. I'm going to hand things back to Mark. Trade well, everybody, and I'll be typing comments in the room.